Okay, good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss the distance and displacement problems. Yesterday we have seen that distance is the actual path traveled. Displacement is the shortest distance between the starting point and ending point. So today we are going to see one question. Anyone can read the question. Ria, can you read the question?
Yes, sir.
Please read.
Travels a straight road. He goes from position A to position B. The distance between A and B is 4 kilometers. Now from position B, he turns back and travels a distance of 2 kilometers to reach the position C. Find 1. The total distance traveled by Ram during the whole journey, and 2. The magnitude of his displacement.
Children, did you understand this question? From A to B, he traveled. How much distance?
4 kilometers.
4 kilometers, sir.
4 kilometers.
There is journey ended, or did he return back?
He returned back, sir.
He returned back to C. From B to C, how much distance?
Kilometers, sir.
2 kilometers.
Very
2
good.
kilometers.
Now you can say that how much distance they traveled. Distance means
The path
this
traveled
4
6
plus
kilometers.
6 kilometers, sir.
6 kilometers.
6
Very good.
kilometers.
Now we got the answer for the first question. Now, this is the starting point, A, and C is the ending point. What is the displacement definition?
The shortcut between the initial.
The shortest distance between the final position and the initial position.
Very good. What is the final position and initial position? What is
Initial
the starting?
position is A and final
A
position is
and
C.
C.
Very good. Now, what is the distance between, shortest distance between them is?
2 kilometers.
Very good. Now, what is the magnitude of the displacement? The distance? 2 kilometers. Is it not? This distance. This is the starting point or initial point. And this is the ending point. The distance between the starting and ending point, we will call the displacement. And it is clear. Totally 4. And when you return 2, this is the midway. So now you can easily identify from here to here how much the distance is. That is 2 kilometers. Or you can write like this. AC is equals to, AC is the displacement, AB minus BC. Now children, can you identify what is the distance and displacement?
Yes, sir.
What is the distance?
Yes, sir.
The path traveled.
Total distance covered by an object.
Very good. Displacement?
The shortest.
The
Shortest
shortest
distance he covered. Between the starting and the ending point.
Very good. So please note down this one very fast. Can I go to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this time I'll ask Tanmay. Tanmay, can you read the question? Tanmay, are you there? Okay. Gautam, can you read?
Yes, sir.
Read the question, madam.
A cyclist travels a distance of 4 kilometers from A to B, then moves a distance of 3 kilometers at straight angle to A and B. Find the resultant displacement and total distance traveled.
Very good. Thank you very much for it. All the children, please note on the question very fast. Tejashvi, did you write the question? I think you are in trying. Okay, children. So now, as per the question, from A to B, so I'm keeping this one as A, and this one is B. Now, can you say how much distance it is according to the question?
4 kilometers, sir.
4 kilometers.
4 kilometers.
Now, from B, right angle means how much?
90 degrees.
90 degrees to right.
Right. Okay. It traveled. How much distance it is?
3 kilometers.
3
3
kilometers.
kilometers. Now we need to find the displacement. Now, can you say what is the starting point here?
A, sir.
A. What is the ending point?
C.
C.
Now, this is the shortest distance between the starting point and the ending point. This blue color mark is, this is the displacement.
Sir, displacement will be 5 kilometers.
Very good. But how it has come?
Sir, by using Pythagoras theorem.
Pythagoras theorem.
Yeah. Pythagoras theorem, anyone can say.
One
Side
side
square.
Side square plus side square is equals to hypotenuse square.
hypotenuse square.
AB square plus BC square is equals to
AC
AC
square.
square. Excellent, Nana. Excellent. Very good. Do you know how to identify the hypotenuse?
Sir.
The side opposite to the right angle. That is AC.
Excellent. This is,
AC
this
is the hypotenuse.
hypotenuse. The longest side is also hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the longest side in the right angle triangle. So hypotenuse square, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. AB is how much? 4 square, 16. BC is how much? 3. 3 square, 9.
9.
So we got AC square is equals to 25.
25.
But do we get AC? AC? No. We need to get AC. How we will square it?
Root of 25.
Root of 25.
25.
Excellent. Thank you. Thank you very much, my children. It's 5 kilometers. So everyone have understood what is the displacement. Now can you say, sorry, what is the distance?
7 kilometers.
Yes. Wait, what is the actual path it traveled? First it traveled from A to B and then B to C.
To C.
So A to B is how much? 4 kilometers. B to C is how much?
3
3
kilometers.
kilometers. So total distance is
7
7
kilometers.
kilometers. Very good. So did you understand, my children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please note it down. Monica, did you understand what is distance and displacement?
Yes, sir.
Good. Krishna?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So thank you, my children, for trying to understand. If you have copied, then we can go to the next question. Now, who can read this question? Vinay, can you read the question?
Yes, sir.
Read.
A boy moves 3 meters towards east. He then turns and moves 4 meters towards north. Calculate one distance traveled by a boy and second the displacement of the boy.
Very good. All of you, please note on this question. Your directions are very important for us. Children, I have taken this one, as east. Now, what should I have to take here? Opposite east is what?
West.
West. So there is no confusion. You can put this side also east, no problem. Opposite to the east, west. Now you imagine yourself that you are standing towards the east. Your face is towards the east. You are seeing the sun. When sun is rising, imagine that you are seeing the sun. Your right hand side. Your right hand side is
East direction.
when you face your east direction, what is the right hand side?
South.
South. And what is this one?
Direction.
North direction. Okay. Now, south, east, west, north. These directions we understood. Okay. Now, a boy. Imagine you are here. I'm keeping this one as A. Now you are moving towards east. How many meters you move?
3 meters.
3 meters.
Kilometer.
Let it be B. Now he moved towards the north. Now what should I have to do?
You have to go down, sir.
Upwards or down?
Down.
Why? Because we have kept the arrow mark now. Here we have kept the directions and all those things. By looking at the directions, you have to put downwards. 4 kilometers. Sorry, 4 meters. 4 meters.
4 meters.
Now what is the distance?
7
meters.
7 meters. You are right. You are right. Why? Because distance is equals to AB plus AC. Already we have done a previous mathematical calculation. I hope many of you can answer. Please answer how to calculate the
5
distance.
meters, sir. Displacement will be 5 meters.
But don't say simply like that. You need some explanation. Give some explanation. How 5 kilometers you got?
Sir, we should do Pythagoras.
AB square plus BC square, we got 25 meters. We have done the root, then we got 5 meters.
Excellent, my child.
Very good. Theorem, sir.
Very good, Nanathan. So some other students also have responded. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. All the children, please now note down one question. Can a displacement be 0?
Yes, sir.
So it can be
Displacement can be negative.
It can be, sir.
Positive.
Okay, Tanmay, can you explain in detail in whatever the different situations it can be positive, negative, or 0? Elaborate, explain in detail.
Okay, sir.
Why no one is saying anything?
Sir, 1 minute.
When
I'm
the
thinking of
displacement
the
can be zero?
Sir, if the starting point and ending point will be the same, then the displacement will be the zero.
Excellent. Very good. And when displacement can be negative, suppose a reference point I have taken here, and one situation I calculated, and this is suppose 4 meter, and I returned back 7 meters. But actually consideration we have taken forward as a reference. But the final point is backwards. By how many meters? 3 meters. So you have to represent it as minus 3 meters. Very good.
Sir, displacement will be a vector quantity, so it can be a negative also.
Good. Very good. Other children, please note on the above question. A ball is thrown vertically upwards, rises at 10 meters and came back to the initial position. Total distance covered and total displacement. I'm expecting some of the student should explain the explanation. Better you draw the picture after writing the question.
Sir, completed.
Hello, good. What is the answer, Nana?
The distance will be 20 meter and displacement will be 0.
Good. Now you can see here. Suppose this is a, sorry, you have thrown up to 10 meters. So it went up to 10 meters up and reached to the starting position. Starting position, ending position is same. That's why displacement is 0. But total distance covered is 10 above, 10 below, 20 kilometers. Very good. So I hope so that everyone in this class have understood distance and displacement in detail.
Yes, sir.
So we can answer different questions also. Let me try this one. All of you please note down this question. Please note down.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you show the previous question, please, once?
Okay. This one, Gautam.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Now you can.
Sir, I think distance will be 22 meter and displacement will be 14 meter.
You are right. Very good. All the children, please note it. They note this question fast. This is complete rotation. But in the question, you can see it has done half only, means it from here to here,
Circle.
half of the circle. So distance will be half of the circumference. isn't it?
Formula will be pi r.
Very good. Pi r. Pi value is 22 by 7 into 7.
Radius is 7.
Very good, ma'am. So 22 meters.
22 meters.
Very good. But displacement, we know that it is the shortest distance between the
Will be
starting
14 meters.
point and ending point. So it's a diameter. 7 plus 7. So displacement really is 14 meters.
14.
Very good. I hope so that all children have understood distance and displacement topics. Do you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Thank you, children, for participating in the active discussion. All children should keep your videos on while class is going on. Why? Because it is useful to all of us. I can see your expression. You can see class actively goes on. Oh, Ashwant, how are you, Nana?
Sir.
Very good. Happy to see you. Now, Haripreet did not go to space. He's in home only. Okay, children, I'm going to conclude the class. If you have any doubts or any questions, you can ask me now. Otherwise, you can post it to my number. Always, you can ask any question related to the motion chapter. So no homework for today, but I hope so that you have understood distance and displacement. Do you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.